Hi, I'm Stu, and today I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And things are a little different now because I got a brand new co-host. Mwah. Jacqueline's mom is back to work, and so now I am her stay-at-home dad. So we're gonna go explore actually the South End today, which you could take the trolley from downtown, but we need a little exercise, so we are going to walk it. And I do want to give a big shout out to all you stay-at-home moms and dads out there, because I've been watching her since we left Florida, and it ain't easy. It's actually pretty exhausting. So shout out to all you caregivers, single moms, dads, stay-at-home moms, dads. Let's go explore Charlotte. All right, and the other thing we're doing differently today is we're doing a vlog style. Normally I'd spend 2 or 3 weeks or 2 or 3 months going to like 40 or 50 places in town and trying them all before I make a video about it or a blog. Today we're doing it different. We're hitting up some of the recommendations for the first time here on the fly. Just me, a video camera, and a baby. And our first spot, Lincoln's Haberdashery for some breakfast. She only does milk, but we'll see if she likes it too. Ready, kid? She's ready. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this place has a phenomenal breakfast. We got the sticky biscuit with ham, added eggs, and also a side of roasted potatoes. And there's easily enough for the 2 of us, plus like 3 more. They also have sandwiches for lunch and stuff, but we stuck with breakfast. So we get 4 thumbs up here for Lincoln's Haberdashery, right, kid? 4 thumbs up. Anything you want to add? Nah, she'll get the hang of the slider. There you go. There you go. Number one. All right, so Jacqueline's timing was absolutely perfect. She decided to just take a nap, just as Wooden Robot, a brewery here in the south end of Charleston, is about to open. So this is literally the ideal scenario. So baby takes nap, daddy has a few beers. I had to look through the beer menu, found a few beers I want to try, so I think I'm gonna get a flight, see what I think. Couldn't be any better than this. And look who's back awake. Jacqueline, all happy after her nap. We got ourselves a flight. The Gosa is a dragon fruit. Fantastic to start your day off. However, the Overachiever is a juicy IPA. Probably my favorite. It's a winner. But don't sleep on the Good Morning Vietnam, which has some coffee overtones, something like that, but a blonde ale, not a porter or stout. Not for you, kid. Also fantastic. So listen, we got a nap, we got a flight of great beer, and now we got some time to kill, and this is fantastic. 4 more thumbs up. All right, so we jumped ahead to day 2 now, but we're back here in the South End. Walking around, we found Roots Cafe. It took us quite a while to find a non-chain coffee shop. We walked around this building a couple times. It's in an old building with some other businesses, but we did find Roots Cafe, locally owned. This is the only location, not a chain, winning, and morning coffee. And even better, see, she's a morning person. She's already up and cool. Breakfast sandwiches. They offer them on bagels, but I mean, I'm from New York. It's hard to get a breakfast sandwich on a bagel, you know. But sourdough breakfast. Jacqueline loves bacon, but no teeth yet, so. So, day 2, South End, here in Charlotte. Ready, kid? Okay, so this place behind me called Yunta, I actually wanted to come to before we even got here to Charlotte. I had it starred weeks ago. It's a Peruvian restaurant with some Japanese influenced dishes as well. And if you know anything about Peruvian cuisine, first of all, it's awesome. And something like the number 4 and number 7 restaurants in the world are both Peruvian, I believe both in Lima, if you buy into that stuff. So fantastic. We stopped in here. I obviously had a pisco sour, because Peruvian restaurant. Had some croquettes, And then also obviously some Peruvian ceviche. I got the spicy level, which was perfect. Loved it. Fantastic. We didn't take really many videos inside or do this because it was a nice place with music going. But it was very nice. A family 2 tables down to me with a small girl. The mom saw me struggling and told me I was crushing it. Which is fantastic. That is a huge compliment because this is not easy, and I was struggling in there because she was getting antsy. And what she must not have seen is Jacqueline trying to crawl out of her stroller and falling to an impending injury. So I'm glad that she missed that. So anyway, Yunta, awesome restaurant. Looking forward to come here. But I think now we're gonna go somewhere a little more casual. Maybe back to a brewery, kill some time. Yeah, okay. You don't need your fingers in my ears, kid. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we'll see you at the next spot. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. There's the smile. Clap, 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 clap. Mwah. All right, so I said this is gonna be a little more of a vlog style than it usually is. So I'm not gonna edit some of these parts out that I normally would. So it started to rain. Sycamore Brewing is a few blocks away. So we're gonna walk over to Sycamore Brewing. They open in 5 minutes. So hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Barbershop here, guaranteed to get your hair cut shorter. It's fantastic. Also comes with a free beer, so we're gonna do that. So me and Jacqueline, brewery, and hopefully the rain stops. Or we beat the rain. All right, bye. All right, so we made it here to Sycamore right before the rain started pouring. Got a little wet, not a big deal. Sycamore here, they have a beer garden here in the south end. Production's all North Charlotte. But here, beautiful beer garden. It's finally, the sun has come back out, so this place will get mobbed in a minute. They don't do flights on Fridays or weekends. So I tried a few wheat beers with a fairly low ABV. They were great, working my way into the weekend. But I decided the haziness, which is an IPA, hazy IPA. This is my beer. This is my beer here, after working through some other ones. And this is great. This is actually right off the rail trail. And a rail trail, it's one in upstate New York too, but the rail trail, it's basically a trail that goes right beside the light rail here. It's great for biking, jogging, walking, pushing babies in strollers, whatever it may be. And this is right here. So we grabbed a few beers here at Sycamore. And I don't know, we'll hang out till 5. Mama gets off, then it's the weekend. We are gonna go out for some dinners and do more, but not gonna vlog at all. So we'll, I don't know, hopefully I'll have a blog post or an article, whatever you want to call them, about more dining options. This is just a taste of, 2 days in the south end of Charlotte with my new co-host, Jacqueline. Say bye-bye. This is Stu and Jacqueline from the south end of Charlotte, and we'll see you later. Say bye-bye. Yeah, she's still shy. Thank you, co-host. Yeah.